iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. With analytics products such as the iTAC.IIoT.Edge, our solution offers you the possibility to link structured MOM data with unstructured information, like sensor data, and analyze accordingly. This not only enables you to check the actual status of your production, but also to predict the production KPIs. This prediction will help you to intervene in the process to avoid errors and increase output. Data from sensors and the iTAC.MOM.Suite is collected, merged, and subjected to analysis processes. The newly acquired data can be used for tasks such as predictive maintenance and further process optimization. Easily add new sensors and connect your sensor data to MOM data via drag and drop. By using machine learning and other algorithms, predictions can be made regarding how your machines and processes will operate in the future. These predictions can be used to set up smart alarms and notifications. This way, you can identify and prevent all errors and problems in advance. iTAC.IIoT.Edge, the predictive analysis tool for more quality and efficiency. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.